Okay guys, so I've been driving around and I could not duplicate the customer concern, but the way she explained it to me, it sounds like CV axle is failing, but I'm not sure yet, so I'll keep driving. Still nothing, no vibration when turning or anything like that. Well, let's go back to the shop. Okay, so let's find out. This is the driver's side and it's looking good. How about the passenger side? Oh, it's right there. It's leaking grease, guys. Inner boot. It's right there. There we go. That's the grease right up there, guys. So I didn't verify the concern, but we do have the obvious fault right here. CV axle. Okay, so after like 3 weeks of waiting, CV axle finally arrived today. Yeah, 3 weeks. Came with new axle now, and the part number is K49501C5480. I think the CV axle nut has his own part number as well. So K49551-4T000. Alright, let's get this bad boy down. Now we can see a lot better, and this is the one leaking. Right there. Well, I don't have the proper tool for this, but I have this long chisel that I'm just gonna put it over there and use my hammer. Hopefully it works. Okay, it wasn't too bad, so they came out easily. So just compare the two axles. Make sure that you're installing the right one. Okay, without the axle out, it is best time to clean it. Right there. There we go. Alright guys, so here's what I found, because someone recently worked on this part here and they did not install this one correctly. See that gap right there? And what it does is that guy touching the master cylinder. So when you start the car, it vibrates. This thing is like vibrating. And that vibration will transfer all the way to the brake pedal and you can hear it while driving. Crazy. Alright, so I just make some adjustment. Now it's seated correctly. Look how much gap we have back there now. They're no longer touching. And guess what? No more vibration. Thank you.